Ever wanted to automate your invoice processing? In just 3 minutes, I'll show you how to create a smart invoice tracker using n8n and GPT-4.1-mini via OpenRouter. No coding required. Here's the workflow. We start with a form submission trigger. Extract the invoice text. Use GPT-4.1-mini to parse the data into JSON format. And finally save it directly into a Google Sheet. The first node listens for a new form submission. When someone uploads an invoice, it will trigger the workflow. You can also use other triggers, for example a Telegram trigger for new messages. This way, every time you upload an invoice via Telegram, the workflow will automatically run. Next, we extract content from the uploaded file. This could be a PDF or image. Use extract from file to grab the raw text ready for AI processing. Now comes the smart part. We use the basic LLM chain node. It reads the raw invoice and transforms it into structured data. I'm using raw and freestyle prompt to get the results that I wanted, implementing KISS design principle. Keep it simple, stupid. For the brain, I use GPT-4.1-mini model via OpenRouter. You can experiment with different models to compare their output and see how the results vary. It's also possible to use a private AI model run on our own hardware. Would you like me to include a comparison with that as well? Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to explore next. Next, we'll use an output parser to guide the model in formatting the response into the structured data that we need. To get a clean output, we use a custom output parser. It extracts only the fields we want, like date, invoice, number, amount, description, quantity, and total paid amount. Now we store the data. This node appends each parsed invoice to a Google Sheet, creating a live invoice tracker. Every new submission updates it automatically. Let's test it. I'll upload an invoice. And it's should parsed and added to the sheet, fully automated. That's it, a full AI-powered invoice tracking system in just minutes. If you'd like to see the detailed workflow, feel free to let me know in the comments. Now you've seen how easy it is to turn invoices into structured data. No manual work, no headaches. Just AI plus automation doing the heavy lifting. Want to learn how to build more AI workflows like this? Hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments, what do you want to automate next? For now, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.